So here we have another question that we're going to look at. But if you look at it here now, people, we have a right angle triangle, right? We have two right angles here, and in fact, if you look at it, we have a triangle in another triangle. All right. Now, it says in the diagram not drawn to scale, AEC and ADB are straight lines. All right. Not drawn AEC. Okay. So sorry about that. AEC. I'm gonna start over. All right. So if we look at this question here, we have, if you look carefully, we have two right angle triangles. So it's one triangle in another triangle. Okay. So in the diagram not drawn to scale, AEC and ADB are straight lines. So we're talking about these lines here, right? So ADB and AEC are straight lines. And angle ABC and ABE are 90 degrees. So we're talking about these two angles here. Now, if AC is equal to 10 meters and AB, so which side of the triangle is this again? We call it the hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse is equal to 10 and ADB is equal to 8 centimeters. So we are talking about right angle triangles, not true? And since we are talking about right angle triangles, it simply means therefore that we are going to apply, in order to find on one side, we are going to apply Pythagoras Theorem. So when we apply Pythagoras Theorem, we know that, as Pythagoras says, says the square of the hypotenuse, right, is equal to the sum, the sum of the squares of the other two sides, right? So basically, we can say AC squared is equal to what? AB squared plus BC squared. So we're going to just, so rather than just using single letters, we're going to be using that. The name of the line segment, okay? So AC is equal to 10, so we have 10 squared is equal to AB squared, which is 8 squared plus BC squared. So it means that you need to now make BC the subject of the formula, right? So 10 squared gives us 100 is equal to 8 squared is equal to 64 plus BC squared. Okay? Again, we want to make BC the subject. So if we want to make BC the subject, it means we have to take the 64 across this side or subtract 64 from both sides, right? So if I subtract 64 from both sides, what are we going to get? 36. So it's 100 minus 64 is equal to 64 minus 64 plus b squared. Alright? So 0. So 64 minus 64 gives us what? 0, right? So 0 plus b squared still gives us back b squared. And 100 minus 64 gives us 36, right? So therefore, b squared is equal to 36. And by now, we must know that what number multiplied by itself gives you 36? 6, right? So therefore, b. So basically, we want to find the square root of 36. Square root of 36 in this case is equal to 6. So BC is equal to 6 meters. Is that true? Yeah. Yes, again, 8 squared is what? 64, right? And 6 squared, 36. 36 plus 64 is equal to 100. Okay? You understand that? And that's how we apply Pythagoras Theorem. Okay? So, that's how.